Right. Now one more question on the board. If you see, the question says that how many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of the 45% solution of acid so that the resulting mixture will be more than 25% but less than 30% acid content. Less than 30% acid content. This problem also as usual like old problem but little different one. It is not very difficult one, it is a very easiest one. Okay, let us solve that one. How many liters of water? So let the amount of water to be added is going to be added is x liters. Now the total quantity becomes 1125 plus x liters. Now what is going to be happen? So that the resulting mixture, this resulting mixture will be more than 25% but less than 30% of acid content. More than 25% but less than 30% of acid content. Okay. How we can write according to this statement? According to the statement, what is it? 25% of 1125 plus x will be more than the acid content. How much acid content you have? 45% of 1125. And also that another range is given less than 30%. So 30% of 1125 plus x. 1125 plus x. Now we have to simplify. So I am going to take the first combination then followed by the second combination. Or I can do at a stretch both the things. Okay, anyhow, conveniently I am going to take the first part. Say first part 25% of 1125 plus x less than 45% of 1125. 45% of 1125. Okay, now how to simplify? 25 by 100 into 1125 plus x less than 45% of 1125. Both sides 100 cancel. 100 has cancelled. Now multiply inside 25 into 1125 plus 25x less than 45 into 1125. Okay. Now this value I am going to carry. I am sending that one. So 25x less than 45 into 1125 minus 25 into 1125. Okay. So this one 25x less than, this is 45 times to 1125 and 25 times of 1125. Subtracted 20 times to 1125. Right. This 25 also we have to carry or divide with the 25 on both sides. Then x less than 20 by 25 into 1125. Now 5 fours are 5 fours, 5 fives are. Okay, 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are. So what you can get it from here? X less than 225 into 4. 225 into 4, it is 900. So first quantity we got it, x less than 900. Let us simplify for the second one also. What is the second one? 45% of 1125 liters less than 30% of 1125 plus x. This is second one. Now 45 by 100 into, because 45% is 45 by 100 into 1125 less than 30 by 100 into 1125 plus x. Now both sides 100 cancel. So what you are going to get? 45 into 1125 less than 30 into 1125 plus 30x. Now I'm going to bring this 30 into 1125 value this side. So it becomes 45 into 1125 minus 30 into 1125 is equal to 30x. Now this is 45 times to 1125 and 30 times to 1125. Subtract it, it becomes 15 times 1125 is equal to, it's not is equal to, less than 30x. Now the 30 also have to carry this side. If you carry that, so what is going to be happen? 15 by 30 into 1125 less than x. Okay, now almost answer has completed. Now we are going to simplify that one. 15 ones are 15 twos are 2 5s are 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and 2.5. So we got the value as 562.5. So from here what we can conclude? X value greater than 562.5 from the condition number 2. Now condition number 1, it is given that less than 900. Condition number 2, it is given 562.5. So from the both, from condition number 1 and condition number 2, what we can write it? 562.5 less than x less than 900. So we can conclude now the value of x will be more than 562.5 but less than 900. So this is if you connect it to this one. How many liters of water will have to be added? So that range of the water is 562.5 and 900. That is x belongs to 562.5 900. Here 562.5 and 900 both are not included because it is open bracket. It is more than 562.5 but less than 900. More than 562.5, you can take 562.6 also, and this is 899.9 also, but 900 562.5 values are not included. So how much water to be added? More than 562.5 liters but less than 900 liters water should be added to maintain the range of the resulting mixture. It is lies between 25% and 30%. This completes the solution. Children, along with this one, homework also will be sent to you. As early as possible, you try to complete the sums and send it to me. If you have doubts also, you can be in touch with that through social media, that is WhatsApp. And today's questions we have completed from the miscellaneous exercises, all the application oriented sums. In the next class, I am going to discuss with you about graphs. Please get ready with your graph notebooks. Thank you.